This summer I went to Arusha, Tanzania to work with a program called Mwangaza, and in this program we planned and facilitated workshops to help train their teachers to work with students who speak English as a third language.
While these teachers are highly skilled, highly knowledgeable in their content area, they might never have had any methodologies classes in teaching in a third language. So they were excited to learn new tools and new strategies to make that process a little bit easier for everybody involved.
They were broken down into about 2-hour sessions on different topics related to the SIOP protocol model that we were teaching them. So the first week we were there, we spent planning the workshop, designing, planning, working together with Tanzanian facilitators, teachers who had already been through the program. And after that first week of planning, we went and implemented the workshop for 5 straight days, all day.
Each day we would do a whole group lesson, a whole group discussion about a teaching strategy or something to do with the pedagogy we were trying to impart throughout the week. And then we would break off into our small groups to practice, to work on a lesson plan and to do mock lessons for one another.
So by the end of the program, by the last day, they put on lessons that were so impressive. They were really invested in implementing these strategies into their classroom. So the nice thing about the Mwangaza program is they've been around for years. There's just so much data that has been collected over the years that it seems almost like a waste not to take that information and try to paint a picture of how successful this program really is, what it's doing for the teachers, and hopefully we can put it into a publishable paper that other programs can model off of and try to copy and replicate and get the same kind of results that we get in Mwangaza.
I think it's also good for Clemson because this is a great partnership that we have now through Dr. Wilder and now through our Literacy, Language and Culture program, that Clemson can see what they are sending their doc students out into the world to do. And so it's kind of, I think, a win-win that we have this partnership all for the greater good of education, second language learning, the Mwangaza program, and ultimately, which is always the goal, to reach the teachers, to reach the students.